Okay, so I'm using my incubator now again, and I got a broody hen, and she just started sitting on the eggs, and things are getting lively in the coop. So what I did is I grabbed a few eggs and I let her sit on the rest, and I put her in the other coop, and I'm calling that my maternity coop cage, because basically she's going to sit on the eggs. She won't run back and forth the coops, and I can run the other birds back into the other one while I do whatever I need to do without the rooster attacking me, and then run them back, and all I do is throw a piece of bread each way. It's kind of like a cattle chute. But guess what I'm running this off of? There's the 4 LiPo batteries. These are lithium iron phosphate batteries. I have it wired to a panel and an outlet, and I have several switches for the inputs for the solar panels and the battery connections, and it goes to this all-in-one unit that I can actually, it's an MPP solar. It's a 2400 watt output for 120, and I can virtually run this incubator for free all night long, every day. And of course, right here, you notice this right here. This is actually a an input. If I need to actually plug in to charge up the batteries to this unit, I can plug them in right here, and I can do the same thing as it's putting out power to the panel. And this is a 100 amp panel that you could use like in a cabin or something or whatever. This is totally off grid. So I have 4 off-grid systems. This is just one of them, but this could easily power both my freezers, the great big one, the little one, and my refrigerator in case I need it at night and the entire day. No problems at all. So this system right here will probably, when I build the cabin, which I plan to build this year, I will run it out to the cabin, or I may do some other system for that. But for right now I'm going to incubate some eggs here in the incubator that I bought last year, and then I'm going to let the hen sit on those other eggs that she has now, since I don't want all my egg production to go away. I'll let her sit in her own little coop at night on the eggs, and the other birds will be in the other big coop, and hopefully we'll have some baby chicks in 30 days. Thanks for watching. Hope everything's going good.